this video, we're going to take a quick look at the Discover tab. If the Discover tab is locked for you, you're either in our Manager Lite plan or our X-Ray plan. Unlocking the Discover tab is going to allow you to make searches on our database and find content creators using very advanced filters and some other techniques that we're going to take a quick look at now. So let's jump in, head over to the Discover tab and check out what you will get when you unlock Discover. So as you can see here, you have a space to search for hashtags or an influencer's name. You also have a drop down for specific platforms. So if you would like to make a search on a specific platform, you can of course choose it here, or you can choose all, and that will of course allow you to search all of the platforms listed. You have the location, so you can also specify by city, not just the country. You have the range, so these are all of the follower ranges of the influencers. You have of course the age and the gender, and of course category if we are talking about Instagram. So let's take a quick look at what this would look like to make a search. So make a search of something relating to the business that you're interested in. These are the results that are going to come back with the first hashtag. So if we want to make a further filter, adding further hashtags to the search will of course narrow them down further and further. Another interesting feature of Discover is if we make a selection here, just quickly at random, and we want to know what a campaign would look like with these selected influencers, we can simply click on this arrow and we will of course get the estimated results of the selected influencers. This is really interesting because it gives us not only the total amount of followers and total engagement, but it also gives us a quick look at what a performance would look like for a campaign with these selected influencers. So what the likes would look like, what the comments would look like, what the video views would look like, and so forth. Also gives us the combination of all of the demographics for the selected influencers. So reachability, audience age, the gender split, the brand affinity, location by country and language, as well as top 5 engaged users, category affinity, and popular hashtags and topics. So all of this stuff is really useful. It can be great when you're deciding whether or not you would perhaps like to work with some influencers in the future. Of course, all of this information is exportable to XLSX and export PDF. So to unlock the Discover tab, you can sign up for our Discover plan, or you can of course sign up for our Manager Pro plan, which will allow you to also run campaigns.